Hi, my name is Jen Perry, and I'm an education specialist at KIPP Hartwood in San Jose, California. I started my teaching career with Teach for America in the Mississippi Delta, where I taught second and then third grade. I moved to San Diego and taught sixth grade math while getting my special education credential. And I began teaching special education in 2010 in San Diego and have been an education specialist for a mild to moderate program ever since. My first experience with individuals on the spectrum was when I was in college and volunteering for Special Olympics in UCLA. And we had a range of athletes with various disabilities, including those on the spectrum. Although at the time I knew very little about ASD, but now I know a lot more, and I can look back at some of the athletes that we worked with and recognize some of the different qualities. As an education specialist, I have students on the spectrum on my caseload as well. All the students that I work with are fully included in their general education classroom, and I offer push-in and pull-out support for them. In terms of assessments, specifically around autism spectrum disorder, I have very little experience with that. I was actually surprised with the number of different screening tools and diagnostic measures out there when I was reading our sources for this week. I have given the Woodcock-Johnson and the Wyatt for the academic portions of evaluations, but that's pretty much the extent of the assessments that I have given. I also remember when I took my own kids to the pediatrician when they were a lot younger, them getting a quick screening, and I, as an education specialist, I recognized some of the questions that they were asking and that they were screening for autism. From this class, I am hoping to learn a lot more about assessments since I'm not as familiar with them. Hope to learn more about what they are and the value of each one of them and how they work together. In terms of something like I like to do on a rainy day, I love to play puzzles and do puzzles with my youngest son. I like to snuggle on the couch and read with my daughter, and I also like to play board games with my oldest son. I look forward to meeting all of you and working with you on this upcoming class. Thanks.